Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is going to be really interesting because we are going to focus on a palindrome. Now for those of you who don't know what a palindrome is, so basically a palindrome is a kind of string number or something which if reversed it will be same as what it was. So for example, let me show you here. Okay, so I will take an easy example. So let's say dad. So even if you reverse it, it's going to be dad. Same is with mom. Okay. Now if I take like a bigger example, we have race car. If you can see, if you reverse this, R-A-C-E, race, C-A-R, car. Okay. So this is what a palindrome is. So basically right now we are going to follow two methods to solve this question. First one is going to be using by using functions. Okay, we'll create a function which will check if the string is palindrome or not and return us true or false. The second way is going to be we'll use reverse function. Okay, we'll reverse the string and we'll compare it with our given string in the array. Okay, so here what we'll do is we'll take two pointers. Let me take a simple example. So we'll take two pointers, start and end. If start and end is same, then we'll increment our start and decrement our end. Otherwise we'll return false. Okay, so let's dive straight into the code now. So right now we'll be creating a function, right? So before that we need to go through our, sorry about the cursor, go through our like given array. Okay, at each index we need to check if that word, the string at index I, is palindrome or not. If it is, then we'll return that word. If it is not, if we do not find any palindrome, then we return empty string. It is given in the question. Okay, so now the next thing is we need to create this function, right? So let me create that, and this is going to be a boolean. Okay, because we are checking if it is a palindrome or not. It will have a string. Okay, now we will have two pointers, as I said. First will be pointing to start and next will be pointing to last position. Now while start less than end, we will check if s start, that is at starting position of s the character, if that is equal to the character at ending position in the string. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll simply increment our start and we'll decrement our end. If this is not the case, okay, if we do not find this, like if they are not equal, else we'll return false. Okay, it doesn't matter, like we don't have to check further because we have already discovered that this is not a palindrome. The two values are not going to be equal if we reverse them. Okay, so if this is if we never reach this else statement and we come out of the while loop, then we'll simply return true. Okay, so let me submit this. Okay, so it's really that simple. We have used the functions and it's good, but if you'll see, we are taking a lot of space, like lot of area in the coding part. Okay, like it's almost 25 lines of code. Okay, let's reduce that. For that we will use our second method. I'll simply remove this. We need to return this. This is going to remain constant and we don't need this as well, right? Okay, so now what we'll do is at every position we'll create a temporary string. I know it's not space efficient, but it's smaller, like the code is smaller. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll reverse this string. Dot end. Okay, after this I'll compare. If temp equals to string at index I in our word, if that is the case, I'll simply return words of I. Now you can see our line of code has reduced quite a lot. Like from 25 lines of code we have reduced to just 12 lines of code, and even for that the main logic is just 3 lines of code as compared to what we had, the regular huge 7-8 lines of code. So let's submit this. Okay, so it's really that simple. I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you have any other suggestions, queries or doubts for me to solve from any other platform. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.